Uncover a new revenue stream by now printing in-house with Zirlux 3D Print Resins. We're here to support you with these new workflows to turn every bottle into profit. High volume, low-cost production starts here with same-day production, reduced outsourcing cost, low material waste, minimized failed prints, and maximized bottle usage. Print surgical guides in-house for under $1 each. Print model resins in-house for under 50 cents each. Print Zirlux night guards and splints in-house for under $5 per splint. Print gingiva mask resin in-house for as low as 17 cents per part.
Zirlux 3D Print Resins are more than materials. They're your lab's competitive edge.